Hello everyone. In this quick video, I'll show you how to share your Google Sheet with others in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. To share your sheet, first click the blue share button in the top right corner. Click on it. Next, enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. You can also set their accesses level whether they can view, comment or edit your sheet. Viewer, commenter and editor. Once you are done, just hit send. The recipients will get an email with a link to your sheet. And that's it. Your Google Sheets are now shared and accessible to others. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Google Sheet tips. Thanks for watching.